My name is Jean-Pascal. I met the Dharma and, by the way, Lama Yeshe at the same time in 79. This meeting, I will never ever forget it. The impact of Lama Yeshe changed completely my life. I could see this man in a robe coming from maybe 50 meters, everything a little bit bent like that. He come closer, he come closer, he come closer. And my body started to shake, water coming out from my nose, my eyes, and see what's going on. I couldn't control anything in my body. I was completely like a zombie. I was a zombie. For me, it was clear. This man, Iche Omo, this man, I will follow him wherever he want me to go. I mean, wow. When I was in presence of Lama, he energized all the very hidden good qualities that I had in me. It was just so easy to be nice. Any word he said was just full of joy. I mean, he gave us everything he could. Lama Yeshe just saved my life because at that time I was smoking, I was taking drugs, I was completely lost, and it changed completely my life. I could feel that enlightenment was not that far when it was explained by Lama. Yes, me, poor me, miserable me. I can also realize this. I could really feel it. Maybe the word that he said the most was bliss. You Westerners, you have this energy. You want all have all the pleasure. Isn't it frustrating? You have your pizza, you have your sex, you have drug. Then what? You want to have pleasure, you want to have happiness. This is very legitimate, no problem. Have it. But be wise. Look for the real happiness, the real pleasure, the bliss. And how can you get the bliss? Through the practice of Dharma. And you can share your joy, you can share your happiness with everybody. And when you see people around you, they are happy to see you. Wow, is it good for your ego, huh? Isn't it?